Hi everyone, it's Lynn from Hey Lynn Vintage, and I wanted to do something for Retro Cooking Wednesday that, because everybody's going to be going into New Year, that would be a good appetizer that you could take with you that was fairly simple. I was looking for like a cheese ball because we all are doing our charcuterie platters and all that stuff. And I mean, you could still throw a cheese ball on your charcuterie platter and it would still look great. So I found one that was popular in the 70s. It was back when Rosalyn Carter and Jimmy Carter, they were governor of Georgia. So this is a cheddar pecan cheese wreath with strawberry preserves. Everything that I've read, everybody, oh, it's my go-to dish, all this stuff. So when he was, though, president, Rosalyn had them make it for some of the dinners, and the French pastry chef absolutely hated it. So with that being said, I'll meet you at that ingredient table. Let's make this cheese wreath. All right, so the ingredients that we need for our cheese ball wreath: 1 pound of sharp cheddar, and they want you to grate it. So I have a mixture of white and the yellow sharp cheddar here, and I grated it. You have to grate 1 small onion. I'm probably going to grate it on this side of my grater, and I'm probably just going to use half of that because I think that's kind of a lot. And they want to make sure that if you get a lot of juice that you do end up like wringing that juice out. 1 cup of mayonnaise. So you cannot use Miracle Whip. It's either mayonnaise or if you make it yourself, but do not use Miracle Whip. A cup of either walnuts or pecans. I have a mixture of walnuts and pecans here. They really like the pecans better, probably because it's like a Georgia recipe. So I do have a mixture that I'm going to run my knife through and then chop them a little bit. And then I'm going to toast them. I just have like a little pan here. I'm not going to put nothing in it. I'm just going to let the walnuts get a little brown and then just take them out and put them in. I'm going to put like half in and then save half for the top. And then half a teaspoon of cayenne will also go into our mixture. And then I just bought this Simply Fruit strawberry preserves that I will make a little divot on for my wreath. And then you could either use strawberry or raspberry preserves. So let's get grating that onion. All right, that's probably about what I'm going to use onion-wise. I'm going to put this on a little bit of paper towel. I use this side because this is even when I make ziti sauce. That is the side of the grater that I also use, or potato pancakes or anything like that. I don't like it to be any bigger than that. So we'll get back to the ingredients. I'm just going to pat this onion with a little bit of paper towel and then put it in our mixture. All right, so we got our cheese here. It's just mixed all of it together, but the strawberry preserves. So I'm going to put that cup of mayonnaise in here. I've got that onion that I have, I've kind of got a lot of the moisture out of it. So like about 2 tablespoons. I'm just gonna mix some of this together. And then we've got our half a teaspoon of cayenne. Just dump that in there. Thank goodness I wear contacts because I would not be able to grate that onion. Ooh, that is strong. So then we need to put like half of our walnuts in here. I was given this, I don't know if you guys remember this diamond shell. It's got the little grater thing on there. So I'm going to put half of the walnuts in here. Well, I have a mixture of walnuts and pecans. I didn't have a lot of pecans today. So you know what I might do though is like buy some whole pecans, I think, and decorate the outside of it would probably be really pretty. So I've got about half of the mixture in this little thing here. Let's see if this thing works. Oh, look at that. After all these years, it still works. So I'm gonna chop up these pecans in here and I'll get back to you. So I'm just gonna mound this cheese mixture into this. Well, this was actually my grandmother's. She had the whole set of Fire King plates from when her 50th wedding anniversary, because they had the gold rim on them. So I'm just gonna mound this up on here, get it into a decent kind of mound, pretty thick. You could use, if you had a mold, you know, a small mold. Most of us don't. So I'm just going to kind of make sure that it's centered on the plate, somewhat into a circle. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to take my little ramekin, and hopefully this will work. I'm just going to push it down in the center of that. Just to kind of like get us a nice circle. Push that down a little bit more. Just creates like it gets stuck in there. I want to have a really nice divot in there. My hands are clean. Just so that it kind of looks more like a pool, you know, so we can put the jelly inside there. Then I put the rest of those nuts in here. So this would be like perfect for this. If you're gonna serve this later though, you would probably want to wait to put like the nuts in. You could probably make the cheese mixture, you know, and have that refrigerate and then put the nuts in so that you have that little bit of crunch would probably be better. But I'm just gonna get these nuts on here. How great is that? Oh, you can smell them because they were just toasted a little bit. So get that all on there. This thing works great for that. This little vintage little diamond walnut thing. Great. We're just gonna push these all up on there. Make sure that we have a nice little ring. All right. So then, of course, you would want to wait, but let's see what it looks like with our raspberry preserves on it. I got too much mayonnaise on my hands. All right. Dunk this in there. Ooh, looks kind of good. I would then just take a little napkin or something and just go around your plate. Make it look more beautiful. Like I said, I would even maybe, because I didn't really have a lot of pecans, I would maybe toast a few whole ones and put on the edge. That would be really nice. Maybe a little bit of parsley or greenery on the edge. What do I have? Just to make it look a little bit more festive. I've got some Little sprigs of thyme. Parsley would be wonderful. I don't have, oh, I might have a little bit of parsley in here. This would actually look really nice on there. Put some parsley in there. Get a little bit of greenery going on. And then you could always just do your crackers right along the edge here. I got some little water crackers, a couple Ritz left in this bag. All right, I'll come back with my thoughts. Okay, everyone, my thoughts on our cheddar cheese ring with strawberry. It was good. You get a lot of zing from the onion and the cayenne, you know, but then you add a little bit of that. You could either use raspberry or strawberry preserves. I use strawberry. And, you know, it was good. It was good. You could make that, put it with crackers. I could see why it's somebody's go-to. It's kind of fun. You know, and when we do, you know, brie with, you put the jellies on the top and all that stuff, it's kind of like the same concept, except this is cold and not warm. But it's super simple, super fun. Bring the cheese ball back. So with that being said, this is Lynn from Hey Lynn Vintage. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for helping my channel grow. I really do appreciate it. I will still be doing Retro Cooking Wednesdays. If there's anything that you would like to see, don't forget to put something in the comments. I will bring that to you. And I will still also be doing my live sales on YouTube Tuesday nights at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. So I'll see you then. With that being said, stay retro, my friends. I'll see you real soon. Bye.